Hi, I'm back, and we are going to read through Spelling List 2. And once again, I'm going to read the word and then come up with a sentence using that word. And I want you all to do the same after I'm finished. I want you to try it on your own, okay? Let's go, guys. Buy. Can you buy that toy for me? More. Can I have more soda? Want. I want those shoes. Farm. The animals live on the farm. There. That is their book. Get. I will get that for you. All right, everyone, those are all our spelling list 2 words, and go ahead and try this on your own, okay? I know you can do it. You're super smart. See you soon.